Hello everyone, how's it going? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Pradana Gilang, and you can call me Pradan, and I am from D class. Well, at this moment, I would like to show you how to pronouncing a few diphthong sound. This is the A sound. This is the I sound, and this is the OI sound. Okay, first I would show you how to speak the A sound. Please repeat after me. A, A, A. Let's practice with the word play. Please repeat after me. Play, play, play. And the second, I will show you how to speak the I sound. Please repeat after me. I, I, I. Let's practice with the word guy. Repeat after me. Guy, guy, guy. And the last one, I will show you how to speak the oi sound. Please repeat after me. Oi, oi, oi. Let's practice with the word boy. Repeat after me. Boy, boy, boy. This was so good, guys. Let's continue on. Well, here are 5 words of every diphthong sounds. A sound. Play, play. Say, say. Eight, eight, eight. They, 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 they. I sound. Die, die. Fine, fine. Eyes, eyes. Guy, guy. Buy, buy. And the last one, oi sound. Toy, toy. Voice, voice. Oil, oil, boy, boy, noise, noise. That was excellent, guys. Let's continue. That was pretty good, guys. You now have a better understanding of three English diphthong sounds A, I, and I. Keep practicing, guys. It takes a lot of speaking and listening, but you can do it. Trust me. And thanks for your attention. See you next time.